This lying cop was exposed on Dashcam. This cop drives over the yellow line.
Idiot.
And so the driver honks. And I guess the cop didn't like that, so he decided to pull the driver over and lie. The cop is actually going to say that the driver was the one going over the yellow line. But the driver knows his rights and is going to stand up against this cop.
License and registration on you?
What's the problem?
I'm stopping you because you came across the line there and you're blaming your...
I came across the line?
Yes.
You see that camera right there?
Okay, you're being you're
Yeah.
and video recorded
And
right now.
you were on my side of the road.
Actually, I wasn't.
Bullshit.
I can't believe this cop would try and lie. You can see he's about a foot over the yellow line. This cop could have caused a crash.
Okay, you have your driver's license?
Yep, I do. And I can't wait to give it to you. You got a name there, officer?
Yep, my name is Officer Mills. Do you have a registration?
Probably, but
Okay, can you get it for
the
me?
car's registered to me.
Okay, can you get the registration?
I'm
Yeah.
sorry, I refuse.
The cop then tries to violate the driver's Fourth Amendment.
All paperwork, or you should get a ticket for that.
Let's get something straight. First off, you were on the wrong side of the road. That's going to verify that. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is,
my video as well.
you're violating my 4th and 14th Amendments because you do not have probable cause to stop me. Which
I do.
means, huh?
Yes, I do.
Oh, you do you?
Yes.
I think this lying cop should be fired on the spot. Eventually, the cop threatens to write the driver a ticket for failing to produce registration, even though the driver did nothing wrong. Look how it turns out.
You have to produce it, sir.
That's what I'm looking
If you
to
don't
do.
produce your paperwork, it's a ticket.
Well, then give me a ticket because you know what?
Okay.
When I go to court and I produce it, your ass is mine.
Good luck.
Okay, keep smiling.
And the dash cam saved this driver. Make sure you always use a dash cam while driving.